Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. OneBlinc.com is a truly fascinating platform, offering a unique approach to financial services. It essentially bridges the gap between traditional banking and the often underserved population who might struggle to access conventional financial products. OneBlinc provides a suite of tools designed to empower individuals financially, regardless of their credit history or background. The core concept revolves around providing access to critical financial tools, aiming to promote financial inclusion and opportunity. Think of it as a financial hub readily available online that simplifies managing your finances. What sets OneBlinc apart is its commitment to serving everyone, including those who may have been excluded from mainstream banking. This inclusive approach opens doors for individuals who may have faced challenges securing traditional loans or credit cards. The platform offers an alternative pathway, allowing users to build a positive financial track record through responsible use of its services. This focus on inclusivity and empowerment is truly commendable in today's financial landscape. Navigating the OneBlinc platform is surprisingly user-friendly. The interface is designed for ease of use, making it accessible to a broad audience, regardless of their tech savviness. This streamlined approach simplifies the process of managing finances, from everyday transactions to accessing credit-building opportunities. Whether you're experienced with online banking or just starting out, OneBlinc offers a straightforward and intuitive experience. OneBlinc truly stands out by offering services typically unavailable to those with less than perfect credit. This commitment to financial inclusion makes it a valuable resource for individuals seeking to improve their financial standing. By providing access to tools and resources often reserved for those with established credit, OneBlinc empowers users to take control of their financial future. This alternative pathway to financial stability is a significant advantage for many. Ultimately, OneBlinc.com provides a refreshing and inclusive approach to financial services. By focusing on accessibility and user-friendliness, it offers a valuable platform for individuals seeking to manage their finances effectively and build a brighter financial future. It's definitely worth exploring for anyone looking for a modern and inclusive financial solution.